See this guys, I have just posted a recipe free of cost and just promoting this blog, and I'm getting paid from Google AdSense for the ads that I've posted on that blog. Do you want to know how you can earn money online by just creating a blog and just posting free of cost? Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, and you can earn a good amount of money from this website. Just follow along this video and I'll teach you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money from this website. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just creating your own recipe blogs. Yes guys, okay, so you do not have to spend a penny from your pocket, and guys, it's absolutely free of cost. Okay, so guys, if you are new to my channel, just hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel so that there is always a motivation to give you best content and you will get a notification of my video every single day. Okay, so guys, basically I tell you that blogger.com is a Google product. So lots of audience in my on my channel come here and say that we are professional bloggers and we want to sell our content on a free hosting website. Okay, so blogger.com is one of the free hosting that it will give you, and it's a Google product guys. Okay, where you can upload hundreds and hundreds of content and you can earn money by just advertising from Google AdSense. I'll show you guys. Okay, so you just need to choose your designs and all, and you can see that guys, from Google AdSense, get paid to your hard work that you have created your content by just Google AdSense automatically. Okay, so I'll show you step by step, and people all over the world who are seeing my channel, okay, they can earn money worldwide. Yes guys, okay, so how to do it, I just show you. Okay, so basically what we need to do guys, just need to click on this create your blog. Just click on this and in a few seconds I'll show you. So what you need to do, you just select your Google account for this, and that's it guys. Okay, so you just give your name to your blog. Okay, so I want to create a recipe blog, okay, cookbook type. Okay, so I just gave recipe blog, and this is a title that I need to give. Okay, recipe blog. Okay, so I can give and guys, this blog address should be unique. Okay, so I can give awesome recipes, awesome recipes awesome recipes book. Okay, so you can see this this blog address is available. You can see this. Okay, so find some title that would be best suit for your blogspot. Okay, so just click on this next, and you can see this confirm your display name. So you just need to give your name. So I just gave my name. Okay, just click on this finish button. Okay, so it will do some processing guys. You can see this, and my blogspot is ready. Okay, so what do I need to do right now? So just click on this cross button. Okay, and these cross buttons. Okay, so I just wanna post for so before that guys, we'll see some of the things. Okay, see the stats. Okay, so this stats will show you guys how much people are actually looking your blogs. Okay, how much your followers, okay, your posts, your comments. You can even visualize your comments as well. Okay, the type of audience, the age. Okay, so that you can give an opinion about your audience. Let us suppose you are giving Italian noodles, okay, or a cookbook. Okay, whatever cooking recipes you are giving on this platform, you just get an insight that what your audience are. Okay, so you can see the comments. Okay, here you can even monetize your AdSense account. Okay, you just need to create it with the same account. You can see this guys. Okay, with an existing account and just need to create an AdSense account, and you are getting paid for that. I'll show you each and every individual step, don't worry. You can see the layouts as well. Okay, you can select the theme for your blogs. Okay, so default theme is this. So even you can customize your theme as well. So how to customize it, I will show you everything. Okay, don't worry. So we just need to post our first blog. Okay, just click on this post button. Okay, so this is your first post, and what you can do, you just need to give title and photos and description about your recipes. So now you ask me a question that, sir, we know this thing, but we are not from the background of cooking. Okay, so where do we find these recipes? And that should be free. So just come up here, guys, you can see this. So I'll just give the link. So these are the free books that you can purchase, not purchase, that you can download for free. You can see that, guys, there are hundreds classic French recipes, baking recipes, cookbook recipes, hundreds and hundreds of books that you can download from this website and started earning. Okay, so one of the books I have already downloaded, this book. So I'll show you this book. Okay, so this is a book that you can download. You can see this, guys. Okay, you can see the same cover, and this book actually gave you an insight that what type of cookbook recipes that you can post. So you can see this, guys, how much you can see this diet books as well. Okay, so I just need to come up here, and you can see this, there are 100. So this is one recipe, guys. This is a brownie recipe. So we just need to copy this thing, and if you are a cook, okay, if you want to cook, if you know how to cook, so you can even modify your own tricks and tips. Okay, so I just show you for this purpose. I just need to show you that how to create it. So you just, if you have downloaded this book, so just click on this copy button. Okay, so just click copy. Okay, so you can see this copy, and what you need to do, just post it here. Okay, in your title section. Okay, in your title section, just post it. Okay, so this is a thing I just need to give capital. Okay, so what you need to do right now, so just come up here. These are the ingredients. Okay, so just copy these ingredients. Okay, so just copy this ingredient. Okay, I'll just do it again. Okay, so just copy these ingredients, and just come up here, and you can give these ingredients. Okay, so these are the ingredients, so you can align these ingredients as well. Okay, so it will do some problem in alignment. Okay, so you just give it. So try some these kind of things, guys. It's amazing. Okay, so if you got you will not got copyright strike. Why? Because, guys, these books are absolutely free of cost. Okay, and these are free PLR books. Okay, so you can see this, I have given the ingredients, all of these ingredients, and now what you can do, you just need to give the recipe, that how to make it. This is the method that you can give. Okay, so just copy this method. Okay, just copy this method. Wait a second. Okay, so just copy this method, and what you need to do, just paste it again here. Okay, so this is a method that you can do. Okay, so it's very simple, guys, and you can even give the photograph. Okay, so I just gave photograph. So how to give the photograph? Okay, so if you are in the phone, okay, mobile phone, what you need to do, just take a screenshot, or what you need to do here, just click on this snipping tool. Okay, just click on this snipping tool, and just click on this new button. Okay, you just need to click this photo. Okay, just copy this, and what you can do here, you can post it. You can see this. Okay, so you can align this photo as well. Okay, we can do the alignment part. Okay, so this is the thing. So, guys, you can do the alignment better from me, and you can give the bold, Control B you can do. Okay, for bolding, and you can see whatever you can do here. You can see this, you can include the backlinks as well for your if you are doing some affiliate marketing links, you can even promote those links as well. Okay, so this is a brownie, guys. Okay, so I just gave a title here also. Okay, so I just need to give my title here also. Okay, so just give it and just click on this bold. You can even do one thing as well, guys, what that you can give the title. Okay, you can see this, just highlight it, and what you need to do, you can give the large. Okay, you can see this. Okay, you can give this thing as well. So now what is important? So what you now do is just align this thing. Okay, so just click on this alignment, central align, and you can do this alignment part. Okay, so just click on this Control B to give the title bold. Okay, so you can do some modifications as well. If you want to change the fonts, guys, okay, you can do it that way as well. Okay, and whatever thing you want to do is just you can do it. Okay, you can do some you can see this text coloring as well. Okay, and some quotations that you can see. You can even preview your blog. Okay, if I want to do preview, you can even do it. Okay, so these are the things that you can do it, and it's absolutely free, guys. You cannot you can see this is a preview. Okay, so it will take some time to preview your blog. Okay, so in the meantime we'll see another things. Okay, just need to hold this thing. Okay. So everything is done. I hope everything is done. Okay, so you can see this. See, this is a preview. Okay, so it will take some time, guys. Okay, so whatever theme you want to select, guys, you can do it as well. Okay, so for based upon the mobile screen as well, you can see this smartphone, for smartphone how it looks like. Okay, for smartphones, and for desktop and for tablet how it looks like. Okay, so based upon that you can do it. If you rotate it, how it looks like. So you can even do the alignment part as well. Okay, so preview will help you to analyze what type of modifications you need to do as per your recipes book as well. Okay, so you just need to enter these kind of things and you are good to go, guys. Okay, so you can see, guys, whatever languages you are compatible with. Okay, you can even write, you know, intended audience as well. For you know, for United States people you can do it. For Chinese people you can do it. For Indians you can do it. Whatever language you can select, you can do it. Okay, guys, so there is no language barrier for you to give a particular location. Okay, you can select whatever location you want to give. Okay, so you can even target your audience as well. So you can see this, guys, hundreds of things, guys, you can do it. Okay, so hundreds of things that you can modify it, that you can label it. Okay, so these are the small things that you can do. And now what you need to do, just click on this publish button. Okay, so just click on this confirm and publish, and you can see this, it will take some time to post it. Okay, publishing your post, and within few seconds, guys, your post will be ready. You can see this. Okay, so my post is ready. You can see, you can even view it, that how it looks like, actually looks like. You can see this. Wait for some time. You can see this awesome recipebooks.blogspot.com. Okay, so this is my one recipe that you can see. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So if I want to do some theme part, modifications of some theme part, if I want to give a dark theme for my blog, okay, I just need to click on this theme and just click on this apply. And even you want to do customization for this, you can also do it. Okay, if I just click on this and just click on this refresh button, then you can see this, that how it actually looks like in the dark theme. Okay, so wait for this and just hope it looks like great. You can see this, it's amazing, guys. Okay, it's amazing. Okay, so this is how it actually looks like. How to do the modification part, you can give your own profile, and you can even give your profile that I am a recipe artist, or I am a housewife, or I am a chef, that I want to promote my recipes here. Okay, so I just want to give my secrets to give best. Okay, so you can see this, guys, you can customize to great level. Okay, you can see this, This theme is also good. This theme, you can see this guys, for basically for cook who wants to open their cook channel. You can see this thing was also, you can even preview these blogs as well. Okay, just click on this preview button and you can even preview those these blogs as well. Okay, see the alignments part, how it looks on desktop, tablet and all, and you can see this. Okay, so you can preview this thing. You can see how my blog will look like if it is in this manner. So this is how it looks like, guys. Okay, so if you want to do some modifications on some, that's how do we do the search engine optimization? Okay, how our blogspot will rank into the top websites. So I just want to give you a small thing, guys, that I want to give you is that just type in word tracker. Okay, just give word tracker. What I've give word tracker. So you can give include these keywords. Okay, I just want to give so what is my post is all about. You can see this brownie. Okay, brownie. So this is my blog about brownie. So I just need to copy this brownie and just paste it here. Okay, so that my recipe of this blog will be on the top. Okay, you can see this brownie. I just need to click on this brownie and it is finding. You can see this, guys, brownies, homemade brownies. So you can include these kind of keywords on your blog. Okay, so that you will get an insight that how to rank my, you can see this, how much volume you can generate, how much competition, 35.39% competition it is there. Okay, so you can generate these kind of things, keywords, include these keywords on your blogs. Okay, at every stages you can include in this method. So I just gave you a small thing. Now it's you. It depends upon you. You can create hundreds on hundreds. You can see this is just one blog. Okay, guys, this is just a one blog that I have made. Okay, you can create hundreds and hundreds of recipes out there so that they can eventually rank and you can see this, guys, you can start earning with your Google AdSense account. Okay, just click on this create AdSense account and you are good to go. Okay, so you just need to sign up here. You can see you need to sign up with your AdSense account and you are good to go. You can see this, guys. Okay, you just need to sign up here and you are getting paid. You can see this, guys, how people are actually paid, and these are the advertisements that are appeared. So how people are actually earning from this AdSense account. So it will take some approval time. Okay, so it will take some approval of this Google AdSense. Okay, so within days or so you just need to sign in and just be on this site. Okay, so this is one thing that you can do. I hope you like this video, guys. Okay, if you are having any doubt, and you can see this, guys, one person has already viewed my profile. Okay, so if you like this video, guys, I just want to recommend you to just subscribe to my channel so that these kind of small tactics I just want to share with you, how to earn money online by just creating small tips and tricks. Okay, with Google AdSense, or by working from home, or by doing remote jobs. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Happy earning.